Hey everyone, welcome back! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install and configure the Loox product reviews app on your Shopify store. This is one of the best apps for collecting customer reviews and showing them beautifully on your product pages. First, head over to the Shopify App Store and search for Loox product reviews and photos. Click on it, then hit the install button to add it to your store. So once the installation is complete, you'll be redirected back to your Shopify admin. Next, go to your Shopify admin dashboard and click on Apps. From there, select Loox Photo Reviews to open the app dashboard. Once you're inside the Loox dashboard, you'll find several setup options. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish your in-app settings. You can customize how your reviews appear, set up automatic review requests, and choose your layout and colors to match your store's design. Finally, import your existing product reviews if you have them. You can do this directly through Loox by uploading a CSV file or importing reviews from other platforms. And that's it. You've successfully installed and configured the Loox product reviews app on your Shopify store. Now you can start collecting authentic photo reviews, build trust with your customers, and boost your sales. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out my other videos where I walk you through more Shopify tools and features to help you grow your online store. See you in the next one.